my latest Papergang subscription has arrived, so let's open it up. Okay, so this has got lots of birds on it and some butterflies and bugs and things. So this looks really good. Let's have a look. Designed by Tom Camp. So this is our artist. I like it. So let's see what we've got. Here's the challenge, of course, trying to get the sticker off without killing everything. Yee, exciting stuff. Oh my gosh. Dual-ended highlighters. Let me see. Oh yeah, this end is like a normal pen. And then this end is a proper highlighter. Cool. And I've got 3 beautiful colours. So those are fabulous. Pencil. Oh, I wonder if you can see him. Yes, there. A little snail. Oh, so cute. Look at this amazing week planner. Oh, and it's different all the way through. Snail. And then this page with the butterfly on. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. There's a section for doodles. That's important. Look how many pages I've got. Ooh, so that's perfect for next year. As if they knew it was a new year. Are these stickers? Yes, they are. Look, so these are journal stickers. Look at this side, aren't they fabulous? So these will be going in my diary, definitely. Calendar. I don't have a calendar yet. Oh, this is so beautiful. Out of the way. This is really beautiful. Okay, it'll fit in there like that. So the cover is fabulous. And then the pages are quite nice. So here, J for January, common dormouse. Dormice can spend as much as 7 months of the year asleep. What a fabulous life they lead. February, red squirrel. He's also stunning. Oh, and this is for any year, look, just in case of a leap year. Red squirrels can jump more than 2 meters. March, tawny owl. The wings of a tawny owl are completely silent. April is an otter. Female sea otters raise their pups without assistance from males. Oh, sorry. May is a kingfisher. Kingfisher chicks have fluorescent beak tips to help their parents feed them in the dark. Nice. June is a hare. And this is cardstock. Really good. The brown hare is Britain's fastest land mammal, clocking speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. July is a swift. Swifts almost never land except at their nest sites. They can even sleep while flying. Where are we? August. There's a beaver. The only colony of wild beavers in the UK have been present on the River Otter in Devon since 2008. Oh. September, that's my month. Got a hedgehog. Hedgehogs will wake up from hibernation if temperatures drop so far that they are in danger of freezing. That's a good action plan. October, Goldfinch. A group of goldfinches is called a charm. November is a grey squirrel. Squirrels don't recover all of their forage, and the forgotten acorns grow into healthy trees. December is, of course, of robin. Robins are very territorial and will viciously attack other robins that are in their patch. Beautiful. So this is what I got this month, all set for the new year. So yeah, let me know what you think. Do the Papergang boxes appeal to you? Do they look worth it to you? I'm certainly enjoying receiving them every month. It's quite exciting to see what's going to come. And of course, stationery is amazing. So I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.